So update from Mod Mania weekend. It is Monday and it's a little after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Gary has been pouring a big pool today, so he's been working his tail off outside doing that. When Haley got off work, we decided to, well, Gary asked Haley to, and I decided to help her get all these trailers unloaded the rest of the way. So we're getting ready to wash both race cars, the mat, the golf cart, clean the trailer out. We've emptied the air compressors and the bumpers and tires and wheels and shocks and all the extra parts out of both trailers. Haley is also painting the bumpers that needed painted. She's getting that done. And then I've already got caught up on laundry, not that you guys care. All I have to do is sweep mop and clean the RV and sweep mop and clean the race car trailer. And then we're ready for the next round, whenever that may be. Gary said something about maybe taking 2 weeks off, so I don't know if that'll stick or not. I think he really liked driving his new car at Mod Mania, and he really wants and needs some more laps in it. So I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get closer to the weekend and see what all needs to be done beforehand. But we'll take you along as we get all this stuff cleaned up. It is a lot of mud for Mod Mania. So as you can see, there's both cars. Haley actually kind of got hers halfway washed. We went through a big truck wash in Tri-City, close to Tri-City when we left Sunday. Got the RV on the outside and the race car trailer washed up. And since Haley's race car was on the open trailer behind the RV, they did give it a little bit of a wash. She's got to get under there and clean it a little better, but you could see we got lots of mud.
We're gonna put
so we'll take you along.
Put this to the test. So we've got the truck and tractor wash, and then I think the other one's called wash and wax.
From Proline.
You see the before. You see all this mat.
The other side of this mat has transmission fluid all over it.
So we'll let you know how it does. But like I said, this is Proline, and we're gonna try to use it. We have used it before and it's done really well. We swear by it, but we will show you guys what it does and how to put it on and all that, and then we'll show you the after. So you spray foam it on, and it looks like that. Of course, we're going to do the back and the other side, but let me spray this one off. This one side, I only did one. I only did partial of it to show you guys. We'll show you what it looks like with everything done. But as you can see, it's about 100% better than it was. So we're gonna do the race cars next. This is a little bit different of a video for you guys, so let us know how you like it in the comments. We've never really done a wash day before and let you guys see it, so let us know how you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And another thing that we have to tell you is we actually are working with Proline, and we've got a link for you guys to go visit their site and check out all of their awesome products. So it's going to be in the description down below. I'll also pop it up here, the name of their company, but you'll have to go to the link down below to actually look at the products and see what they're all about. So make sure you guys go click on that link. Make sure you guys go check out their products. They are amazing. We love them. And that's all we've got for today. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video. It is actually a race video. So keep an eye out, I guess I should say, for that video, and we will see you guys in the next one.